Today we will solve the following question using the Srtf algorithm. Srtf algorithm is known as shortest remaining time first scheduling algorithm, and it is also known as preemptive SJF algorithm. Now we have to calculate the average waiting time, and average turnaround time. The most important part of the scheduling algorithm are its Gantt chart. To prepare a Gantt chart using the SJF, we see the shortest job, and the shortest job will run first. Now, if we check for the shortest job, then P4 having the shortest job 2, and the next shortest job is 3, 5 and 7. 7 for the shortest job arrival time is 6, means it will come on 6 millisecond. So it will wait until 6 millisecond. So it will run when its time will come. Now the other options are 7, 3, 5. 3 is the shortest time, but it will run on 3 millisecond. So it will wait until for 3 millisecond. When 3 millisecond will come, it will the shortest job and will run. And P3 is the next shortest job. It will also wait until 5 millisecond. So there is only option P1. Its arrival time is 0, and it will run up to the next shortest job 3 millisecond. So P1 will run 0 to 3 millisecond. Means the remaining time of P1 is 7 minus 3 equal to 4 millisecond. Now the next shortest job is 3, and the next turn for P2, because its arrival time is 3. If we see the burst time, so the least burst time is 2 for P4, but it will run on 6 milliseconds. So it will wait until for 6 milliseconds. So there is only option 3 and 5. So 3 is the least comparative least wait burst time in P2, and it will run. So P2 will run from 3 to 6 millisecond. Means P1 completely run. P2 completely run. So the P2 updated value is 0, because 3 is its burst time and it is completely run, means 0 millisecond. Now the next 6 millisecond is for the next process P4, and P4 has a least burst time 2 milliseconds. So it is a turn for P4, and the P4 will run for up to 2 millisecond, means up to 8 millisecond. Now the updated value of P4 is 2 minus 2 equal to 0 millisecond. Now the next option is 4 millisecond for P1 and 5 millisecond for P2. P3, P0 is P2 is completely run, and P4 is completely done. So the turn is for P1 because its burst time is less comparison to P3. So P1 will complete his task from 8 to 4, 8 plus 4 up to 12 millisecond. Now it is updated to 0 millisecond. P1 is updated to 0 millisecond, and all the process P1, P2 and P4 has been completed run. Only P3 is remaining, so the remaining P3 will run at the last. Now we will check for average waiting time and we will calculate average waiting time. Average waiting time. What is waiting time? Waiting time equal to jobs comes in running section minus arrival time. And so for P1 comes in 0 millisecond and it is wait. What is the waiting time? It is wait for this 3 to 8 means 8 minus 3. This is the waiting time. 8 minus 3, this is the waiting time. The next for P2 is comes on 3 millisecond and it is nothing to wait, completely run when it comes in critical section, so it never wait, means 3 minus 3 because 3 is the task comes to scheduler, 3 minus arrival time 3. And for P3 is comes in 12 millisecond but its arrival time is 5 millisecond, so 12 minus 5 and it is completely run. And for P4 it comes on 6 millisecond and its arrival time is also a 6 millisecond and it is completed run, means 6 minus 6 divided by the number of process 4 equal to 8 minus 3 5, 3 minus 3 0, 12 minus 5 7 and 6 minus 6 0 divided by 4 means 7 plus 5, 5 plus 7 equal to 12 divided by 4 equal to 3 millisecond. This is the right answer. Now we will next calculate for turnaround time. Turnaround time. If we check for turnaround time means the job completion time minus arrival time. So P1 complete his job in 12 millisecond and its arrival time is 0 millisecond, means 12 minus 0. P2 complete his job in 6 millisecond and its arrival time is 3 millisecond, means 6 minus 3. For P3 completion time is 17 and its arrival time is 5 millisecond, means 17 minus 5 plus. For P4 completion time is 8 millisecond and its arrival time is 6 millisecond, means 8 minus 6 equal to 2 divided by the number of process for finding the average turnaround time. 8, 12 minus 0 is equal to 12, 6 minus 3 equal to 3, 17 minus 5 equal to 12, 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Means 12 plus 12, 24, plus 3, 27, plus 2, 29 divided by 4, 29 divided by 4, 4 7 ja 28.25. This is the average turnaround time, 7.25. Now we have to see all about how to SGF work, primitive SGF work. It is also known as Srtf. So all the student see this video and try to solve other primitive SGF or Srtf numericals according to this video. So give their like and wishes for their exam. Try to get more marks. Okay, thank you.